Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video about the Breville die-cast smart toaster for everyone who's thinking about buying it or not. Buy this toaster. It's awesome. It's like the Cadillac of all toasters. I had other toasters before, and what I love about this one is that it has the extra wide slots where you fit actually the Texas style size toast in it, so they're a little bit bigger and they normally don't fit in any other toaster. So I bought this one and it's awesome. It has like also this one touch sensor thingy, so it lowers the toast in and you can totally regulate if you want a little browner, it's really smart, and it looks great in my kitchen. It looks awesome. I mean, it has this shiny finish, and I just love it. It has a 1-year warranty, what was very important for me. And yeah, what else other features does it have? I mean, it's kind of like, you know, it's for the bagels, and when you have it, you know, there's frozen and you put them in different. This toaster is just like, it has its own brain, so I love it. I want everyone to consider buying it. It's gonna look good, it's gonna work great, you're gonna be so happy, and your toast actually comes out the toaster the way you want it. So for more information, just click on that link below the video, and I promise you, you won't regret buying it. So I give it 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.